Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, we are going to make dressing sauce for fried fish. Okay, so right now, naglalagay tayo ng soy sauce. How many soy sauce to?
Maybe 4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons of soy sauce.
I have chopped ginger and chopped garlic.
Chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Ito ba yung mga nilalagay dun sa mga social na mga restaurants? Like yung mga Chinese restaurants? Yung sauce?
Honey.
May palabas na ng honey. Saan ka na-inspire to do this?
I just wanted to have some sort of dressing on the fried fish.
So, 3 tablespoons of honey.
You have to taste it later if it's not enough sweetness or too sweet.
Okay, so taste test. Boiling. What's the verdict here? Salt. Approved. Okay, everybody. So, tapos na tayo doon sa sauce. So, this is it. This is the additional sauce for any of your fried fish na luto nyo. So, yes. There you have it, everybody. The version of Nanay for the sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next Kalutong Bahay with Nanay. See you! Uy, make sure to subscribe. Bye-bye!